In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to start a thread in Slack. This is a great way to manage discussions and keep your conversations organized without cluttering the main chat feed. Let's get started. First, you will need to access your Slack workspace. Open your preferred web browser and navigate to the Slack website or open the Slack desktop app. Make sure you're signed into the correct workspace where you want to start a thread. Once you've accessed Slack, locate the channel where the message you want to thread or reply to is posted. This might be a team channel, a project channel, or even a direct message. The goal here is to find the specific message you wish to elaborate on or discuss further. Next, you will need to identify the exact message to which you want to reply in a thread. Hover over this message, and you should see a series of icons appear, including a reply button, which often looks like a small dialog bubble. Click on the reply button. This action will open a sidebar on the right side of your screen, dedicated specifically to the thread of the selected message. In this sidebar, you'll see the original message you're starting a thread from, along with a text box where you can type your reply. Now begin typing your response in the text box provided in the thread sidebar. You can express your thoughts, ask follow-up questions, or provide additional information related to the original message. Slack allows you to format your text and add emojis, so feel free to use these features to enhance your reply. When you're satisfied with your message, go ahead and hit the Send button, typically represented by a paper plane icon or simply labeled Send. This will post your message as the first reply in this new thread. You'll notice the number of replies indicated next to the original message, showing others that this conversation has a thread associated with it. If you wish to highlight or pin specific messages to make them stand out in the thread, look for options in the sidebar that allow you to manage the messages. Depending on your workspace settings and permissions, you may be able to highlight important parts of the conversation for easy reference later. Remember, threads are a useful feature for keeping discussions focused and manageable. They help prevent channels from becoming overwhelming and keep related messages grouped together. As more team members join the conversation, everyone can contribute to the thread and continue to build on the discussion without distracting other members in the main channel. And that's all there is to it. You've successfully learned how to start a thread in Slack. By following these steps, you can ensure your team communications remain clear and organized. Happy chatting.